The stakes are high, but the ground, not so much. Hello canopy lovers, welcome back to Intensive Canopy Services. Today we are here at PJ installing a massive canopy setup for one of our corporate clients who is launching their new shop here. The main thing, look at this terrain, it's uneven. Whoever comes to this place first will think, oh, we are going to host an event in such a place. But Intensive Canopy has always a solution for everything. Let me show you. Some might look at this place and hesitate to install canopies, but Intensive Canopy don't hesitate or don't give any excuses to any of our clients. We have customized this place. You can see the place where am I standing is now customized and settled and leveled up with platforms.